Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Peyton. Happy birthday to you. Can you make a wish and blow it out? Blow out the candle. Ooh, keep trying. Blow again.
Almost got it, babe. Keep trying.
It's his birthday.
You're right. How old are you on your birthday?
2.
2. Can you blow out your candle? Make a wish.
Oh, you did it! Good job, babe.
Candle.
Yeah, that's Peyton's candle. Say happy birthday. You can put it on the plate.
It's my birthday.
It is your birthday. Happy birthday, Peyton.